Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth reading for you, Cancer, to see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Cancer will not resonate with each and every one of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and simply leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Cancer. All right. And newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. Okay. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Six of Cups in reverse, bottom of my deck as the overall energy. Yes, this was a very special connection, wasn't it? You guys felt like you guys were best friends and things were really going good. But some bad memories have been created in this connection now. Not feeling that hot right now regarding your person. I don't know what's happened in the recent past. Yes, I can see what's happened. This person was probably quite a flirt. Or at least you felt that way and they were not. Anyway, let me not get on to the reading, Cancer. From what I can see, for me, this is person A. This is going to be person B, Cancer. If this is your story, you would immediately know which side you're resonating on, right? So let's see. Okay. Cancer. From what I see here, one person has kind of lost hope. The person A seems to have kind of lost hope in this connection, or maybe went a wrong direction. Yes, they went a wrong direction in the past. But now they do want to show up as the Emperor. They want to take control, they want to take charge of this connection, whereas person B is concerned, they feel so much of delay is gone. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and nothing really kind of has materialized in this connection till now. But person B does have their eyes still on person A. They've been watching and waiting, feeling rather low, I would say, because of the stagnancy that's happened in this connection. So let's see what's going to happen now. Let's do some dialogue message cards and see where we're going from here. So, Cancer. Spirit of Cancer and their person had to say something to each other now. What would that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Thank you. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person, Spirit. Okay. All right, Cancer, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I'm a completely new and better person because of you. I'm a completely new and better person because of you. Yes, somebody I think went the wrong direction here. They didn't know where their wish fulfillment was. They were doing the wrong thing maybe. But now this person wants to come forward as the Emperor. So let's see. Second card here says, Cancer, I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. Are you sorry for hurting me? I think this is person B saying that. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. This is person A who got sidetracked, went the wrong direction. Okay. Last card here says, Cancer, manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. Like I said, they want to now come back as the emperor. They are doing something. They're changing their world around to become a better person because of person B. All right. So let's, Cancer, I'm going to start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Cancer, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Marriage. I don't know what this card means for you, Cancer. You would probably have an intuitive feel about this. So either this is a marriage which has gone wrong and now somebody wants to kind of come back, and marriage doesn't mean really kind of going to court and signing your names. Marriage is a meeting of two souls. So this is a very strong partnership from what I feel. So maybe some of you, there could be a marriage proposal coming to you. Because I do see somebody wanting to come back as an emperor now. Okay, so Cancer. Let's start with the energies of person A. Forget about person B for a minute. We're just going to see what person A is going through. So Cancer, this could be you. You could be on the other side, right? So Star Spirit, why is the star in reverse for person A? Why is the star in reverse for person A? Oh yeah, this person knew exactly what they were doing, Cancer. Maybe in the past they had made up their mind that this connection with person B is just going to be a flirtatious one. They enjoyed person B's company. They thought it was like, not the real thing, or they didn't want a commitment or something. So they probably kind of came across as a Knight of Cups. I mean, Knight of Cups is a big flirt, right? They never spoke the truth. Maybe they didn't want to hear the truth of their own heart at that point, and they must have come off as a little cold and unemotional when asked, where is this connection going? Maybe, yes, somebody was asked to make a decision, and that's what kind of disrupted this connection. It created all these bad memories. Maybe you guys had a fight or an argument or something. Something happened which broke this connection in a way that you would, like, out of all those good memories, now there's one which kind of really disrupted this connection, and now they feel, oh my God, I've lost my chance. This was such a beautiful, passionate connection I had with person B, and I took them for granted. I took them for granted. Maybe this person just lied to their own selves and didn't want, and came across as, I'm not interested, or behaved in an unemotional way or something like that. Now the Emperor Spirit, what's this Emperor for them? Now they're realizing their mistakes. They're realizing, I made such a foolish mistake, and now they want to come back and work on this connection. They're really feeling bad for their own misjudgment of this connection. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What was this foolish mistake they made, and why are they feeling this way? Knight of Cups again. So yes, they could have been a romantic person who thought, they could just kind of give very little, even though I think they knew person B was the one. In all the cups that they were probably, flirting with, they knew who the one perfect cup was. But they gave very little to this connection. They may have flirted, they may have brought little gifts or done whatever, but they never really committed. And they kept it as a, connection where, okay, I like you, but I like many others as well. At least in their mind, they didn't think or didn't want to admit to their real feelings for you. Yes, but now this person was guarding themselves. Maybe they'd been hurt in the past, or they tried falling in love a couple of times, hasn't worked out, and they were basically trying to avoid giving a commitment. They didn't want to get stuck in proposing or committing to a marriage or something like that, and they held their ground. They really, really held their ground, and maybe pretended that there were third parties, and you're not the only one in my life, and all the time knowing that there was no other cup which was as important as person B. But they kind of just keep giving very little to enjoy the connection, but holding on or guarding themselves and keeping the commitment part a bit stuck. How does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Knight of Wands in reverse and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Knight of Wands in reverse, Spirit? Now they feel stuck. Oh yeah, now they feel stuck because now they realize that maybe person B has an impression of them now. Person B feels that they are very immature, they create conflict, they are rash, and they are not stagnant. They are stagnant and they don't move in commitment or whatever. Person A basically feels they've created a very wrong impression of them, and now they're feeling stuck. Now they want to show up as the emperor, and now they feel, oh my God, my person will never respect me. Now, heart of hearts, what they want is a total transformation of this connection. They are wishing and hoping that person B would just forget about the past, put it to a death, so I can begin again. Their biggest worry is that they've lost their chance to have a commitment now. The commitment that they were trying to avoid all this while. They feel, yes, even though they know that this would really make them happy, they don't know now how to move towards person B. They feel person B probably thinks them as selfish and self-centered, and now they don't know how to take any action because of their own behavior. Why does person A see this connection as now the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? One more. Because they feel person B is very angry and upset with them. They feel person B is never going to trust me again. They must be really angry. They must be very bitter with me. If I go towards them, they'll probably slice my head off now. And I've created such a bad impression about myself. And what? Have I really lost my chance now? Like this card said, I realize I do want you in my life. Is it too late? So they're really worried. They're really, really worried. They feel they've lost their reputation or their chance now. What action this person will take, I'll open in a little while. Cancer, moving on to the other side now to see how person B is feeling. Person B has the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Person B feels I've waited and waited and waited, and there's been such a big delay in this connection, and they also feel very bad that you both are separated, maybe feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned, also feeling that the person B feels they feel, that's how they feel, that I've been the only one carrying the burden in this connection. And I'm tired now, I've been waiting and waiting and feeling abandoned and left out, and this is kind of breaking my back just to wait around for this person. But not that they've stopped, because they still keep a watch, maybe watch tarot readings, or it's either social media or something. Person B still is kind of looking back to wonder what's going on with person A. The only reason why the person B is feeling a little disappointed right now, feeling a bit weak, is because till now there has been no communication between the two of you. I think person B has been expecting person A to reach out, but person A seems to be very scared right now to reach out, and person B has been waiting because there has been nothing, no news, no text, no communication, and all they can do is watch and wait and wonder if this is even going to happen. Yes, the two of wands came out sideways. So there has been a delay here. Person B has been at crossroads. They want somebody to make a choice or a decision, or at least themselves to, know which path they have to go to. But right now, I think person B is also in limbo. They're fluctuating whether should I wait or should I now make my decision to let this partnership go. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Person B was feeling quite sad and depressed, I would feel. Four of Swords in reverse, very restless energy, very depressed because of all the stagnancy. Yes, they feel too much toxicity happened in this connection. I don't know what happened. Some bad memories got created, or maybe person A was, found cheating, or something happened here which was rather toxic, and that which made person B feel rather depressed and very, very sad. And they also feel, yes, they felt devastated at whatever happened here. I think person B has been through the ringer, and how? Very, very sad. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yes, because they lost hope. They were waiting for their soulmate to come and offer them marriage, maybe, or forever, or some kind of commitment, but that was never to be given. Things just kind of slowed down to almost just stagnancy, and person B was left there literally holding the baby. So how does person B now feel about person A, Spirit, or this connection? Ace of Wands and the Page of Wands. I think Heart of Hearts person B still has a lot of passion for person A. They do see this as a very exciting, passionate connection. But the only problem here is, yes, they're realizing that person A is just not stepping up to the plate. They're not offering commitment. They're a promise breaker. They're not coming up to that level to say, hey, I'm going to be your person. I'm going to be the person that you can rely on, who you can, be committed to, and I will take care of you, and we'll kind of build something together. Person B feels, yes, there's a lot of passion here in this connection, because this person is very charming and romantic and all that. But where is the commitment? Yes, the person B feels that they always get breadcrumbed. They feel person A gives to more than just me. I always feel like the outsider. I feel there is no balance in this connection. There is no equal give and take in this connection. But Heart of Hearts, I think person B is waiting for something. What's this Page of Wands, Spirit? Page of Wands. Yes, believe it or not, after going through all this, person B is still waiting for one message from person A. One message which says, hey, can we reconcile? Let's get back together. And person A does know who they want, but they, I think, a bit afraid because they feel they've lost their chance now. So what action will person A take, Spirit? Will they take it? Will they be brave enough now to take action towards person B, who seems to be waiting? Empress. All right. What's this Empress, Spirit? Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Oh yes, I think they're going to come forward, Cancer, very, very, very soon. They've realized now, they've realized who the queen above all queens is, who they can have forward movement, abundance, growth, stability with. Now, whatever secrets came out, Cancer, in this connection, hasn't made them very happy. Okay, if secrets about them came out, they are unhappy about that. They want to come and speak their truth now. This person A is also not having any wish fulfillment anywhere else. Nothing is making this person happy. Sometimes they feel they've lost their very chance of having this Ten of Cups. But they want to now start a brand new chapter with person B, and they want to make them this Queen of Pentacles, this is the wife card. The Empress, the Queen of Pentacles, these are all, when you choose one partner and say, you are the one. You are the one I want to grow with. You're the one I want to have my future with. You're the one I want to grow old with. So this person has been acutely unhappy about all their foolish mistakes that they've made. They're not sure whether they can achieve it right now because they feel they've lost their chance of having this new beginning. But I do feel this person is very, very interested. But will they take any action, Spirit? Will they take any action towards person B? That's what we want to know. What action can we expect? They're waiting, and I think maybe waiting for the right time. They are looking into their future, but I think that this person A is a bit scared. So they are waiting maybe for person B to cool down, or maybe for them to have that ideal chance to maybe, check to see if person B has forgiven them. They're very scared. I'll be honest. This person is just standing there looking into, that vast expanse in front of this person, just waiting for. And yes, it's a good place to be in, Cancer. Don't rush it if you're on person B's side, because they must realize what they've lost. They must realize what they've done, right? That little bit of time in the middle is a great time of reflection. So that when they do manage to come towards person B, they are stronger. They can actually come as this emperor that they want to be now. Person B, will you take any action? Queen of Pentacles. See, this is exactly, look at the mirroring here. Queen of Pentacles in their action, Queen of Pentacles in person B's action. So why is Queen of Pentacles here, Spirit, as an action? Person B is still, yes, they are a bit upset at the moment. They do want to, if person B had their way, they would maybe be the first ones to approach person B, but something stops them. As much as they know that, heart of hearts, they know that we are going to be together, let's say in divine timing, in their heart, they've already, I think, married person A. They want to be in that position to, from what I feel, person B, if they had a chance, they would rush to person A. There's a lot of love here, but that little bit of sleepless night and the stress and whatever, because of whatever words were exchanged between the two of you, maybe certain things were said which kind of still stresses out person B. They feel, what if my person is still a player? What if, I go and once again, I become the loser? Once again, I'm in a position where I lose. So that stress is, I think, holding person B back. But otherwise, heart of hearts, let's take one more. Person B, will you take any action towards person A? This person is still very sad and regretful about how things haven't worked out. I think person B is also waiting. They're also waiting for a message, a text, some news from person A to show them that they're interested. So person A, if you want to be an emperor, then you have to take action. You can't just stand around here and wait and stay unhappy and very well knowing person B is your empress or your perfect partner. And person B, don't be stressed out. Now you've seen the reading, right? You take care of yourself. You are in a very, very good position right now. I think your money is good, looking good nowadays. You're looking very good. You are a loving, kind, beautiful person. I think just stay in that high vibration. Don't allow yourself to keep looking back, because that's what you're going to attract. the longer you look back in sadness and regret, you're sending that message to the universe, right? Start vibrating high. The more you are going to glow, the faster I think person A will get their confidence to come forward and bring in that, maybe that commitment, maybe a proposal, who knows. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope this worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.